Hi, friends. Happy Tuesday. We miss you so much. We can tell you that every day because it's true every single day. We can't wait to see you again. Um, Today, I wanted to start off with a lot of times we'll do in class, like we did for V when we would vacuum, if it started with a V, for W. If the word starts with that sound, you're going to wiggle, wiggle, okay? So if it has the sound at the beginning of the word, you're going to wiggle. First one, w, winter. I kind of gave you that one. You should be wiggling for winter. Next one, it's a color word, orange. You could do an X, you could freeze, because that does not start with w. It starts with an O. Next one, wild. Wild. Wiggle for wild. Next one, cover. That one would be a C. C. Next one, wash. Wash. Be wiggling for wash. Quietly. Quietly. Water. Water. Wiggle for water. Does start with W. Apple. Apple. Last one, wonderful. Wonderful. Wonderful does start with the W sound. Great job, guys. Okay, next, Lily is telling us a little bit about what the Super Kids are going to do while she's the Super Noodle. So we talked about that new popcorn word TO is two, like they're going to the planets, okay? Not number word two. If you have TWO, then that's not the right two. But up here at the top, Lily is telling the Super Kids, let's get to the planets, okay? So she kind of has like those cute signs, and that's going to tell the Super Kids which planet they're going to go to. So first one you guys could see, you would be tracing T-O as popcorn word 2. So it says to the wet planet. The wet planet. So on the wet planet, you might expect to see a lot of water. Next one, popcorn word to. T-O is to. To the hot planet. To the hot planet. So maybe it's like the sun is like really shining on them and they're getting really hot there. We'll read the story that goes with this in the next couple days. This time you're writing to all by yourself. T-O-2, the wind planet. So the wind planet. Maybe there's lots of like wind blowing around. It's like a really windy day. The next planet they'll go to is to the tip-top planet. So the tip-top planet, you would expect that one maybe to be up high. And then the last planet they'll go to, they will go to the planet Wump. Wump starts with that W sound. Not sure about the Wump planet yet. We'll have to read and see what the Wump planet is all about. But Lily's telling us we're going to go to the wet planet, to the hot planet, to the wind planet, to the tip-top planet, and then to planet Wump. So you guys are going to, when we're done watching this video, you're going to write TO2 5 times like you would have done it on your paper, okay? And then the last thing you guys have to do, I know you don't have this paper, but just so you guys can kind of see what it looks like, just practice writing those W's. You start at the top, slant down, up, is that capital or uppercase one. I didn't pick my pencil up the whole time. Make sure you start on those dotties. So you have 2 rows of capitals and then 2 rows of lowercase, and then you'll get one where you're going capital, lowercase, capital, lowercase. And then the last thing at the bottom, guys, is a sentence you're going to trace or write on your own. It says, an, can, wag, wags. Wag wags. Remember the Super Kids are dressing up and they're pretending they're wag wags. And the last question is hop, hop, and it has a question mark as the end mark there. So the question is, can wag wags hop? And I think we'll find out in the story. Do you think you can answer it by yourself? You could say, yes, you think the wagwags can hop, or no, you don't think the wagwags could hop, okay? So we'll find out if they can hop in our story. But you guys can go ahead and write, just practice. Maybe if you do a row of capital and then a row of lowercase, and you can practice that sentence down at the bottom. Remember that capital letter at the beginning? Try to squeeze your finger spaces in between each word, and then that question mark at the end is the end mark there. We do a lot of periods, but sometimes they can be question marks or exclamation points, okay? Thanks, guys. Have a great day.